New tool for you. This is called a remote starter. It's a pretty simple tool actually. It has a button and then two clamps on the other side. And I will put the tool number right here. So what this is used for is being able to crank the engine over without actually having to sit inside of the car. So it's a super valuable tool if you're listening for a noise, or you want the engine to be cranking, to be watching something, looking at belts, things like that. A lot of different uses for it. It's definitely more of an advanced tool. You know, your typical at-home person is not going to have one of these or have a need for them. But if you start getting into more advanced diagnostics, definitely a tool that is needed. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up the remote starter and how it actually operates. So what it does is essentially this switch just connects these two wires. So you're going to have a power source on one clamp and then where you want the power to go on the other clamp. For this demonstration, the way that you should use this tool is the output where our power goes is going to go to the starter motor. So I have a wire, this white wire, and I'm going to show you a picture of that where it is now. The white wire, this is going down to my starter solenoid. So when you turn the key on, where this wire is attached, that's what power is being sent to. So I'm going to hook one side up here, and then the other side I'm going to hook up to the positive side of my battery. So that means now I have power flowing up to the switch, and then when I close the switch, it should send power down to my starter. So again, this is a really helpful tool if I am looking for a noise while the engine is cranking, or I need to watch maybe a drive belt or something while the engine is cranking. And so when I press the switch, my engine cranks over. Now, a couple of things to note: always have the emergency brake set while using this. And also for a manual transmission, make sure the vehicle is not in gear. If it is in gear, it will hop forward on you and it could run you over potentially. So make sure you follow those directions.